Heard about email marketing, you're literally pouring down money in the drain. But don't worry, I got you covered in this video, laying down the full step-by-step guide on how to start your email marketing journey as a beginner. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe to Build by Emails. My name is Scobie. Welcome to Build by Emails, the best email marketing channel out there, where we spread the awareness of email marketing, give you tips on how to grow your list, nurture your campaign, boost your open rates, etc. But enough yapping, let's get to the actual video. Email marketing for beginners. What is email marketing and why is it important? Email marketing is basically a place where you capture emails and provide value and show them how your product is actually valuable and can solve your customer's pain point. And why is it important? Social media, we all rely on social media to gain traffic around our products and use ads to gain traffic around our products. But let me tell you something. What happens when the algorithm changes like this? Your traffic is gone, you can't pay your ads because inflation is too much and the gas prices are too high. What then? This is where email marketing comes in. So basically, in email marketing, you basically build a direct relationship with people, communicating consistently through their inbox, helping them solve problems, and occasionally promoting solutions like products, tools, and services. So why is it important? No dependence on traffic or ads. You have direct traffic in email. No extra work on getting traffic around your offer, meaning easy conversions. Don't have to post and do all this extra stuff, payment and ads, post 10 times a day, send this to who, use hashtags. You don't have to do those extra work. You already have the email that you worked hard to get, and you just have easy one-way traffic and direct contact to them. Sales are easy due to clarity from the guidance given through consistent email. So what's the overall intention of email marketing? The overall intention is that if you have to lose your traffic or ads, where will you sell your products or services? You gotta think about that. So let's get into easy to apply steps to get started with your email marketing journey. Step 1, know where you stand. So identify your niche and your offer. Example, it could be looks maxing and your offer is a jaw exercise ball, and they just get a big jaw like Giga Chad. It could be fitness and your offer is a coaching program. You gotta know where you stand, so you cannot just confuse your people and just think that, oh, you know where you are and know what your offer is, and really know if your offer is something people actually need for the solution, for the problem to be solved. So the overall goal of email, even though you have your products and your programs and you're saying, why do I need email? I'm already making enough money or whatever. Most of the case, the goal of it is to help the value of your offer to be seen more, because there are some people that trust your products already without the need of email, but there are people that are very cold, and you gotta have those people and capture them immediately and make sure you nurture them to see the value of a product, which will overall make you more, even more money. Why sit with 5,000 people when you can actually get 6,000 more, or whatnot? Let's just say 1,000 more and you have 6,000. 6,000 is better than 5,000. So overall, traffic alone, like views or ads, isn't really enough to convert them to warm leads. So the goal is to use email as a platform to nurture and show buyers to trust and see the value of your offer, and you as a business to just get to know you for who you are, and if you're really about, that helping people thing. And step 2, the most important thing, is to have an email marketing tool. The best tool I can recommend right now for beginners is GetResponse, but don't worry, I'm gonna get to this later in this video, which you should stick to the end, and I'll explain how it's effective and how you should get started. So let's move to the next step. So landing pages is about capturing emails to make leads warmer. Basically, see it as a big gateway to heaven, okay? Enter your email and the gate opens, leading you to heaven where your problems are solved, meaning that the gateway is the landing page form, and the heaven is them entering your email list, which is basically your email automation is basically a set of emails that you have crafted and scheduled, which have a lot of value and really truly help people and their problems. That's the heaven. So see in the scenario. So let's give it an example. Let's say you're David Lade, okay? Your physique is amazing. People want to know how to achieve it. So his offer to that is a coaching program in the description. Like, oh yeah, you know how David Lade speaks, like blah, 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 blah. My coaching program in the description. They click it, but have to give their email. So some might not be sure to buy instantly. So the email is meant to build trust and make them warmer. When I say warmer, it's basically make them trusting you more, that you're not ripping them off with selling them a bomb coaching program. So ensure you use lead magnets, because a great body like David Lade, a great body alone is the lead magnet to ensure a sign up, because like it's there. It's like, if you want to have this body, which is his lead magnet, give me your email and then we can get to business. Unlike a business which is selling shoes, you gotta have a good lead magnet for that. So here are lead magnets to create: checklist, cheat sheet, free trial, ebook, or a video course. So the lead magnet must be quick to use but solving a common pain point. So boom, after now you created your lead magnet, something that will get them giving you an email, which is something they need, which will give them a quick win but not the final destination. You gotta have to hop on step 4, an attractive landing page, because you can't just create a lead magnet out of nowhere. You gotta have a landing page so you can have your lead magnet offer presented in the landing page. So boom, keep it clean and simple. The landing page should not be overly, don't do too much. Simple, basic, have a clear message. Fewer text but quick clarity. It should be very easy to understand and know where it's going, be able to guide them what to do. Say, okay, click here, sign this, you'll get this, and boom, don't over explain stuff. So the question you gotta ask yourself: how are you making that life simple without over explaining? Okay, you gotta find a way to tell them how you're gonna make their life simple without over explaining and writing a whole essay about how you're gonna solve their pain points. Add social proof and testimonials to build trust and not fear giving off the email, because we'll have trauma of being spammed by a lot of bot businesses. Mention lead magnets on the landing page to promote the sign up. So boom, now you got your lead magnet done. You got your landing page looking clean and attractive. By the way, I might just drop YouTube video links of how to do all this, because there's so much levels to it. I cannot explain. I cannot make a whole video right now about how to create an attractive landing page. I'm gonna leave videos which help me in the description to make life easier for you guys, because you're a beginner, you have nowhere to start. And yes, step 5, let's craft your email sequence, because now you got the lead magnet, you got the landing page, and now they're going to give you that email, and now it's time for them to be sent to your email sequence, which is a batch of emails sent consistently to just provide value, nurture, and move them closer to becoming a buyer of yours. So boom, after they sign up, your email tool will send them to your email automation, which is an automation you've crafted with emails which are available and solve pain points and provide value. If your offer, for example, is a SaaS tool and targets a wide audience, like it could be one SaaS tool but targets e-commerce, local businesses, and affiliate marketers, use segmentations in your welcome email, whereas like I personally use a little I think it's a quiz, not a quiz, but a little section. I'm gonna just put in the screen where they choose which affiliate, which niche are they in, and they just pick which one, and then they get sent to a specific automation tailored to that niche, so that I can provide content which is relevant to them and reduce risk of having a lot of unsubscribes and decreasing my overall domain reputation and sender reputation. So if your offer is in one audience, like looks maxing, there's no segmentation needed. It's just looks maxing. It's about looks. You don't need to have another segmentation about belly fat or whatever. So within the welcome email, make sure you lay down who you are shortly. Don't say a whole essay and a whole story of how you came from World War and you met Hitler and you traveled back in time, you met Nelson Mandela, you gave him a handshake, and make it simple: who you are, what you want to provide value, and what they should expect. Meaning that you gotta lay down what I mean expect, I don't mean saying, oh, expect your pockets to be emptied by me or whatever, expect me to throw a lot of sales pitches. No, tell them expect valuable content to help you maybe lose weight, get to your goals faster. Just knowing the pain points and not trying to give them the full answer, but like, saying, okay, you're struggling with belly fat, but don't worry, I'm gonna give you content on how to lose that little stubborn belly fat, lose those love handles, get your cardio, just showing them what to expect, and don't lie to them. You gotta actually give them what you told them what to expect, meaning that those are the emails after the welcome email, and deliver the promised lead magnet in the welcome email, and have the sign up linked to a thank you page, or the link the sign up button to the lead magnet, because it's this thing where it's like, I give you my email in exchange of the lead magnet you're offering, and boom, it says thank you for signing up. There's a thank you page. Or maybe you just send the lead magnet in the welcome email where they get it and download it. So email 2 to 4, which is basically email 1 is welcome email. So 1, 2, basically the next 3 emails, make sure you give value, provide value before selling your products, your offers, address common pain points with helpful resources, which could be checklist guides, PDF guides, YouTube videos, also articles which are very, very helpful to them and help them know something new and learn something new. Also encourage replies to boost standard reputation, boost domain reputation, and just have a connection. Don't just be information. Tell them what they think to get more data about your customer and be able to provide a better approach in email content strategy, because you're getting to know who you're dealing with. And by the way, if you're using ChatGPT, please make the tone human and casual, like you're talking to a friend and out the door. A lot of people just throw ChatGPT in like no, please look at your email and read it and tell me yourself, does your email sound like, George around the block? Not O Block, but George around the block. Does it sound like that? If it does, if it sounds human, if it sounds genuine, and it's still providing value at the same time, you can send the email. 5th email, make your sales page and how it solves the pain point. Maybe add testimonials for build trust. After that, send 2 emails or 3 emails per week. From there, still provide value and offers which solve the problems now and then. In when to throw a sales page is very controversial. There's so many ways to look at it. There's 3 email sequence where you throw, sell 2 sales pages softly as sub CTA. Then there's the third one is just a little sales page, but not too aggressive. But just do that, see if it works. You do what works for you. Not everybody has the same kind of feedback, so do what works for you. So yeah, with all the explanation I told you right now, creating a landing pages, having lead magnets, having an email automation sequence, segmenting people so you can just give them content tailored to their needs, so you can have effective and crazy sales, because you're able to know what they want and deliver what they want. So knowing what people want and being able to solve them creates a lot of revenue. But with that, you cannot do that without having an automation tool, because doing it manually is insane. There's no way you can do your marketing manually. There's so much things you're just lacking, and you cannot have a bunch of tools, spending money on that tool, because some tools just offer certain features separately. Some tools are just specific landing pages, some tools are just specifically email automation. But don't worry, I've got you covered, because GetResponse has all of them in one place, meaning that it's basically heavens for beginners. So here's how GetResponse is the ideal tool for you to start off. It has drag and drop automation builders, meaning that instead of writing or knowing coding skills like Tony Stark or complex rules, beginners can visually map out how emails should be sent based on subscriber behavior, meaning there's just less confusion overall when dealing with the platforms, and no tech headache, and not trying to be like Tony Stark, because nobody can be like Tony Stark than Tony Stark himself. GetResponse is everything in one place. Beginners having to buy multiple tools, GetResponse includes email creator, landing pages, sign-up forms, automation workflows, and segmentation and analytics to know and determine which content resonates the best. Meaning that you don't have to juggle 4 to 5 tools, different tools with one feature. You don't have to have any extra monthly bill right away, a single dashboard to just learn what you're dealing with. GetResponse offers built-in templates, meaning that you have email templates, you have automation templates, landing page templates, and web form templates, meaning that it's way less, it's just less work for you. If you're feeling overwhelmed on how to create a landing page as a beginner, you can just have a landing page that's already created for you, and all you have to do is just add some text, add an image there which is unique to your offer, and that's it. It has autoresponders and behavior triggers like welcome new subscribers, follow up to purchase, send reminders, segment people who open versus don't open your emails, and it's just very essential. Industry research says welcome emails alone have 4 times higher open rates than standard broadcast. Automated follow-ups recover lost revenue. Behavioral emails drive higher engagement than manual sending. GetResponse also has simple segmentation, landing page, and email automation together. AI tools to help you write better emails faster. If emails is very confusing, ChatGPT does not work for you, GetResponse can generate email copy, suggest subject lines you can use for your email, and draft landing page text.
Okay guys, for you to get started as a beginner, I recommend you to join the starter plan. Take note that the amount of subscribers you have, you're going to be charged for. So for 1,000 subscribers, you're going to be charged for $15 per month. And for maybe 5,000 subscribers, when you scale incredibly, you're going to be charged for $44 per month, which means, it's still 50-50 because the more subscribers you have, the more potential revenue you're going to get. So it'll make sense for you to still put more money into the automation tool. So the starter plan has nice features like unlimited monthly email sends, AI-powered content generators like the email subject line creating email creator, which makes your life easier as a beginner, being that there's so much frustration of how to get started, but there is AI to solve your problems instead of the generic ChatGPT. Welcome email series, one custom automation workflow, landing page builder, sign up forms and pop-ups, free custom domain with yearly plan. So this is just the best plan I can recommend for starter beginner people because it's not too much. It's the basic stuff. It's not too complicated. Trust me, the marketer plan is really advanced, but the starter plan is best for you. Plus, you have a 14-day free trial, meaning that you can get on there, experiment, watch tutorials, see for yourself, and the best part of it, you're gonna have emails coming from me which are still gonna help you despite being frustrated by the overall tech of email marketing, because trust me, I've also been overwhelmed by how to even get started, even though I said it's easy. And yeah, that's all I have to say. Get started with your 14-day free trial at the starter plan, and yeah, see you in the next one, or let's move to the actual video.
So make sure you guys click the link in the description, get a 14-day free trial while it's still on, and also get weekly exclusive tips from me on how to scale your business through email marketing. And yeah, I've been talking for decades now, guys. I feel like I'm aging on this video, but yeah, hope you guys found this helpful. Get started with GetResponse. It's a 14-day free trial. I mean, you can experiment and see for yourself if it's truly valuable. But the good side of it is that you're also going to be in my email list, where I provide the most helpful content to help make your life easier. But enough talking, guys. See you in the next century. Peace out.
Bye. Have a great time.